In order to boot into recovery, let's see whether advanced restart button. There is advanced restart button. Power off the device, and later just press this volume up button and power button simultaneously until it's boot into recovery. Before that you will get a Poco logo, then you can release the power button. As you can see, after Poco logo you can release the power button and continuously press the volume up button. Okay, it gave me haptic feedback. As you can see, this is the TWRP recovery in this Surya. I mean the Poco X3. I am using Indian version. This method is applicable in global or NFC variant also. First go into wipe and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache data and swipe to wipe. Later select the install and select the downloaded files wherever you downloaded. Let me select first the micro SD card. Okay, then select downloads and flash first the firmware here. As you can see, this is the MIUI Surya Global 12.5.4. Flash the latest firmware. This is the latest firmware available for Poco X3. And later that again go into install and flash this Octavi OS 3.3. As you can see guys, the ROM zip file has been flashed. Again now go into wipe and select here format data and type YES and select this tick mark. That's all. Let's go into reboot and select the system. This is how the OctaviOS 3.3 flashing guide for Poco X3. Use the latest recovery always and download the ROM zip file properly, then you won't get any problems. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. And in this video I'm going to explain about the features, bugs and benchmark results and battery life and even BGMI gameplay. Everything will be explained in this video. Stay tuned till the end of the video such that you will understand all those things I explained. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is the 3.3 Octavi OS for Poco X3, and all the details have been mentioned here. 6000 mAh camera, Snapdragon 732G, and the maintainer is Tushar, and the device, and this comes with latest 5th January 2022 security patch, and the kernel used here is 4.14.246 first Sunday, I mean January 9th build. This for Poco X3. As you can see, I have Poco X3 here, 6GB 128GB variant, and this is the OctaviOS 3.3 ROM for Poco X3, and I have been running the CPU throttling test first for last 5 minutes. You can check out here. The results are like this, like maximum 163, average 149, minimum is 118, and CPU throttled to 88% of its maximum performance. It's like you can see here, there are too many peaks here. This is the first time I am seeing in OctaviOS like this. Let's see, it's a benchmark score like that, but let's see how it actually performs. We'll see in the BGMI gameplay, and before that I will show you the Geekbench scores also here. As you can see, the single score is 539 and 1539, and the kernel used, as I said earlier also, Linux 4.14.246 kernel has been used. And coming to like from now onwards I will be involving this 3D mark benchmark results also. My results, as you can see, I got overall score 1104 and average frame per rate is 6.60, and your score versus this model 99%. Your score is better than 99% of Xiaomi Poco X3. This is how the scores you can see here, 16% better than the result from other devices. And performance monitoring also you can see here, temperature was 39 degree itself, and battery was also 88% only. Frame per rate is increased from 5 to 9. This is how the 3D benchmark result. And let's see about this. This is the home screen you get, and this is the app drawer you get. All the icons are arranged like this, and this is the quick settings panel. You can edit like this. You can add here some of the functions like CABC mode, Dirac sound settings, HBM advanced settings, and refresh rate. You can add those things in the quick settings panel. Also the power button, advanced restart button also given. You can directly go into recovery. And this is how the settings panel you get here. And regarding Google Photos, its unlimited storage is available. It detected as a pixel device and you will get unlimited storage. That's not a problem. And coming to dialer, you get this kind of Google dialer, and direct video call feature is available in this ROM, which is not a problem. Let's see whether call recording feature is, call recording feature is also available in this ROM. There's a very good ROM available in terms of basic things. I will be explaining why it's very good ROM in the future part. Let's see. And coming to like safety net status, I haven't installed this. Okay, let me install the safety net status here. You can judge the speeds also here, as you can see, and sometimes you will get 4G plus icon also. Carrier aggregation, those things are not a problem in this ROM. Even while calling also, there is no echo or like that in the speaker. And as you can see, safety net status get passed. You can use all the payment applications and WhatsApp, those things will be working fine. That's not a problem. Let me install this Google Pay also to show you. Any payment applications will be going to work fine. That's not a problem. As you can see, once the safety net status get passed, you can use the payment applications. If you had any problem, do comment down below, and some of them might be solved. That you can communicate them with comment section. That's the one thing helpful. So do comment down in the comment section below if you had any problems. And comment like DRM info in this ROM, you will get level 1 certification such that you can watch all the OTT applications in HD resolution, which is not a problem in my opinion. And let's move into settings and see what all we get in the settings. First thing is Octavi Lab. Before that, I want to show you like the icons are arranged on the right side and the naming is left side. This is the Octavi OS style has been implemented. And coming to Octavi Lab, in the status bar, traffic indicators are given, battery settings, many of options are given. You can check out here. And clock and date settings, status bar items you can enable or disable from here. Bluetooth battery status icons you can select here. Vivo Wi-Fi icon style, and status bar padding also given for further more customization into the status bar. And into quick settings, you get vibrate on touch, edit icon, running services icon, quick QS pull down, and QS footer warning, show brightness slider, and quick QS panel, adaptive brightness button, show brightness slider on bottom. Animation styles also you can adjust from there. That's not a problem. And coming to notifications, you get ambient edge lighting, heads up, make heads up light less annoying, you can enable here. And vibration on connect, call waiting, disconnect, you can choose from here. Kill app button is also involved in the quick settings itself. And notifications, you get all the basic settings as I explained now. In the Octavi theming, you get monet customization. If you want to enable the custom color, you can enable from here. And luminance and chroma factor also you can adjust from here. Signal, Wi-Fi, and icon pack also you can change. Some of the options are pre-installed here. Into the volume panel also you can adjust here. Music control and orientation also you can adjust. Volume, rocker view, and keyboard cursor control also you can adjust. Plenty of customizations are given. In the navigation menu, navigation bar is given. On screen navigation bar layout also you can change. Show arrow keys while typing also you can enable or disable from here. Into the gestures, as I said before, and power menu, you get adjust advanced reboot options, and some of the options you can enable in the power button if you want. Into the lock screen settings, you get all the basic information here. You can adjust the media art blur level also. And coming into visualizer, you can enable here. As you can see, atomic color and lava lamp options are included. You can select lines count, sanity level, and lines opacity from here. Into the miscellaneous settings, you get toast tap icon, show data disabled icon, roaming indicator, small mobile tap icon, and show call strength icons. You can enable or disable from of the things from here. This is how the Octavi Lab, you will get plenty of customization here. And not just that, and coming to like wallpapers and style here, there are no wallpapers have been pre-installed here. And app grid also you can choose. Dark theme, this how dark theme looks like. It's not pitch black condition, as you can see. That's the one thing still complainable in this ROM. I hope they fix it very soon in the upcoming builds. Let's see whether in dark theme there are any options into the hood. No, they should add like pitch black, and like that it will be easy to choose the dark theme. Let me disable it out, and into display settings you get all the basic settings. By default it will be adaptive, and the colors also bad I kept, that's why boosted. You also do that, or you can keep at least natural. Adaptive was so bad, it was so dull the display was, so I kept boosted. And minimum refresh rate and maximum refresh rate and preferred refresh rate can be adjusted from here in the display settings. Tap to wake is given, wake on plug. Display cutout also you can choose here, as you can see. Color calibration is also given. It's nice, plenty of options are given, as you can see. You can choose from here also, that's a nice thing. And ambient display also given here. These are all the display settings you get in the Octavi OS 3.3 on Poco X3. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And these are the sound settings you get in this Octavi OS ROM for Poco X3. You can increase the ring volume here, and live caption, phone ringtones, and adaptive sound, media. You can enable or disable even the touch vibration feedback, and direct sound settings are given here. You can choose the headphone type and the preset from here in the sound settings. Coming to app settings, you get default apps here. You can choose here. The launcher is the home launcher here. If you want, you can change it also if by installing third-party launchers. That's not a problem. And into notifications you get conversations, bubbles, and annoying notifications. Those things you can adjust from here. You can see here some of the options you can enable or disable in the notification settings. Into the accessibility menu, this how the accessibility menu is given, as you can see. Without touching the volume button or without sliding the brightness slider, you can adjust here brightness and even volume, and plenty of options are given. This is a very handy feature, and Android 12 it made it even handy by just giving a shortcut here. Switch axis, sound notifications, select to speak, dark theme, extra dim, live caption, and audio adjustment is also given. No audio amplifier app is installed. If you want, you can use it. Into the security settings, you just get a pixel imprint. I'm in the fingerprint scanner. There is no face unlock. Let me show you the fingerprint scanner speeds here, as you can see. Okay, it's quick enough, not fastest, but this is how it's given. There is no face unlock or anything like that. If you want such kind of things, you can check out MIUI based ROMs. I have made plenty of ROMs here, you can check out. And this is Octavi OS 3.3. and into this system settings, here you get developer options will be opened, I mean enabled by default. You need to turn off if you don't want it. In that there is also CPU, live CPU test is given in the developer options. And gesture settings, here I was amazed to see this gesture navigation bar. You can increase the bar length and also the radius. That's the good thing. You can see here, this is how the navigation bar length you can adjust, and also radius. Maybe this is the first ROM available for Poco X3 with Android 12. These features are given. Not just that, there is even advanced gesture options are also given. You can increase the strength and things given here. You can check out in this gesture setting. This is how the performance. Let's see the actual performance in BGMI. Into the game settings, as you can see here, smooth plus ultra is given, and HD and high is given. But if you want, you can use Gcam ports to increase the frames here. I mean the graphics settings. There is bit lag, and some people are complaining like if you try in classic matches it will be laggy. Do make the classic matches, but guys, making video on ROM is itself difficult, and downloading for every ROM game is again difficult thing. And I am showing this one. If I start showing you classic matches, then it will be even more lengthy and time taking process. Until that, other people's were already made the video, so I hope you guys understand that. Just see how it is the gameplay and see the video how it is going on. Yeah, I can definitely say one thing, like you can't compare with high-end devices. Within the given of 732G only we should compare. And not just that, also the game itself is not completely optimized. Every time when update comes, it get sometimes better, sometimes bad also. So don't judge like that. Just see how the ROM can optimize the game. Definitely, if you want to play very good TDM or classic matches, try installing some, like make it smooth plus extreme and then play. And wherever I will say that has been given pre-installed, then it would be gaming ROM, like that I will say. You can check out also. For your sake I am playing this and I install this account here. Now means my gameplay is always PUBG New State only, for just to make videos, and majority of the people I know they play BGMI. That's why I'm making this gameplay. I hope you guys understand and proceed seeing this kind of videos. I mean regarding gameplay, just TDM. If really I can make it out classic matches, I can try also. That's not a problem for me, but recording it is little bit difficult. Entire match I can't record. That's what. I hope you guys understand, and the performance is nice here. The CPU throttling test what we seen and what the current gameplay is going, definitely there is a difference. Okay, and the volume is also fine enough, not the loudest, but still you can make it out. This is how the performance in this ROM. I can come out, but I will finish this match. Every time I will come out, just 8 kills away to finish the match. And I don't get time to play also. Every time I need to make videos, install the ROM, download it and install all it and check it. Not just this device, I am making a Note 7 Pro videos also, so it is little bit difficult to make classic matches videos. So I hope you guys understand it. I will come out and this is the performance, and also I will show you the charging animation or anything available or not. Once again, okay, there is a wobbling effect of Undertale, and this is how the information you get. I kept 10-watt charger. If you keep 33-watt, you will get charging rapidly. This is how the charging animation and everything. I hope I explained everything. And regarding this one, like here, it's fine enough. You can take screenshot from here, and there is no select option, which will be Undertale. And coming to widgets also, you can press and hold here and select the clock widget. as you can see it's not available. This even in the previous ROM also it was not available. Even this here they told me to update the app. I updated every app. Let me show you this how I'm not getting clock widgets. This how the OctaviOS 3.3 on Poco X3. I hope I explained everything and you liked the video. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed, subscribe it guys. I'll be making similar kind of videos on this channel. Thank you for watching this video guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.